Awesome crayon nail, amazing Lego nail, nail to a holder, or more. Welcome to Crafty Hacks!
Aw, my nails look so boring. I really like my new nails.
Wow, your nails are so cool! I wish I had cool nails like yours. I really like my new nails.
That's really nice. Oh wait, let's clean up before we go.
Again? Dang, how can I clean my nail polish?
Lily, can you help me open this nail polish?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Dang, I can't open it either. Here you go, Joyce.
Thank you.
I'm bad at painting nails. Dang, I give up. The pen polish remover really works. Look at my finger.
Cool. Can I borrow it?
Yeah.
Thank you. Ugh, the brush is too big. Lily, it really worked.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's such a huge diamond. You're so lucky. Can I see it?
Yeah. Ew, my finger.
Oh, nice. Wait, only a fake green can make your skin discolored.
Really? Oh, my fiance's in big trouble now. Oh man, Joyce, we need to organize this table.
Yeah.
if you liked our nail hacks such as
awesome crayon nail, amazing Lego nail, nail tool holder, or more.
Please remember to subscribe to our channel.
give us a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below.
See you in the next video. Bye!